Loading. Loading complete.
This is not a sponsored video. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Topics and Reviews. I'm your host, an evolving knowledge seeker and a learning enthusiast, back with another exciting video. Today, we're diving into a compact mechanical keyboard that's been making some noise in the budget scene. Quite literally, this is the MAGEGEE MKSTAR 75, a 75% mechanical keyboard that packs solid performance, ice blue lighting, and a surprisingly premium typing experience, all for under 130 dirhams. Let's see if this affordable keyboard is actually worth your money. Starting with the specifications, the MKSTAR 75 follows the 75% layout, giving you 83 keys including function and arrow keys while saving space on your desk. It's built with a sturdy ABS plastic shell, weighs about 600 grams, and connects via a 1.6-meter wired USB-C cable. You also get ice blue backlighting with up to 18 lighting modes, 5 brightness levels, and 4 speed settings. A multifunction knob lets you control volume or switch lighting effects. Long pressing it toggles between audio and backlight modes. Inside, MAGEGEE includes EVA interlayer and bottom foam, which helps dampen the hollow sound that's common in budget boards. It's partially hot swappable, meaning you can swap the switches on the spacebar, shift, enter, and backspace. Great for quick experiments, though not a full hot swap board. Now, onto the pros. The MKSTAR 75 offers amazing value for the price. It's hard to find this feature set in the under $32 range. The build feels solid, with minimal flex for a budget keyboard. The lighting looks clean and elegant. No rainbow chaos, just a simple ice blue glow that's easy on the eyes. That multifunction knob adds practicality, especially for quick volume adjustments. And thanks to the internal foam layers, typing sounds more refined compared to most budget mechanical keyboards. But of course, no budget board is perfect. First, it's not fully hot swappable, so if you ever want to try different switches, you'll need to desolder. The keycaps are ABS plastic, meaning they'll get shiny over time and don't feel as premium as PBT caps. There's still a faint spring ping in some keys. You'll notice it if you're picky about sound. And lastly, there's no software support, so all lighting effects and macros must be adjusted manually on the keyboard. The model I'm using features Hilebox black switches, and this is where the typing experience really shines. These are linear switches, meaning there's no tactile bump or click, just a smooth downstroke from top to bottom. They have an actuation force of about 60 grams and a travel distance of 3.6 millimeters, making them slightly heavier than Reds, but great for controlled typing or gaming precision. Kyle, a company founded in the 90s in China, became one of the first major switch manufacturers to rival Cherry MX, a German company headquarters in Germany, Munich. Their box series was designed for dust and water resistance, and the box-shaped stem housing helps reduce wobble and improve durability, rated for around 80 million keystrokes. Now, let's hear how the MAGEGEE MKSTAR 75 sounds right out of the box. And here's a quick sound test of the Hilebox black switches themselves. So, after a week of testing, here's my honest take. The MAGEGEE MKSTAR 75 is one of the most capable budget keyboards I've tried. It's not perfect. The limited hot swap and ABS keycaps hold it back. But for the price, you're getting a great entry-level board with a smooth, consistent typing experience and beautiful minimal lighting. If you're looking for your first mechanical keyboard, or you just want to try Box black switches without breaking the bank, this one's worth checking out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Topics and Reviews. Together, let's keep the flame of curiosity burning bright. Until next time, stay curious, everyone.